Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers. If you haven't subscribed, thinking about subscribing, yes, you should. Mr. Belle got a lot of videos out there. If you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you will subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Today I'll be doing something different. Today I'll be making some chocolate covered pineapple. I'm going to cut up these pineapples. We cut them up and everything. And I'm just going to put some chocolate over them. I have the chocolate melted already. So I'm just going to slice these up just like this. As you see, some of them are already nice and small. And I'll be pouring some chocolate over these pineapples. They are going to be so delicious. And I'm going to just cut them up. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pour this chocolate over here just like this. The chocolate already been melted. I made some Nutty Buddies and this chocolate I use. So I'm just going to mix it up just like this and cover these pineapples with it. I'm putting them in a pan right quick, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to sit them in the fridge for a little while and let them get nice and cold so they be delicious. So and this is it right here. Okay, this is your chocolate covered pineapples. What I'm going to do, I'm going to taste one of them and see how they come out and everything. Give me a nice little piece. Tastes good. You should try it. It's delicious. Thank you for watching. If you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell. And you will subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Leave a comment in the box. Thank you.